Thank you for choosing the iSpring US31 water filtration system. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filtration system will provide you with clean and refreshing drinking water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Please carefully read the reminder notice on the system packaging before we begin. Ensure all parts were included in the package that your water system arrived in, and be sure to have all the required tools ready. Installation: Feed water adapter. US31 was designed as under-sink water filtration systems. Please clean out the space under the sink before installation. The feed water adapter fits common 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch connectors. If you have a different size fitting, you will need to purchase a converter to attach the feed water adapter. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water in the connector pipe. Step 2. Unscrew the faucet connector pipe. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the pipe with a towel. Step 3. Install the feed water adapter to the cold water supply valve. Please make sure the O-ring is seated properly inside the adapter to prevent leaks. Step 4. Reinstall the faucet connector pipe to the feed water adapter and tighten it with a wrench. Step 5. Turn the feed water valve to the off position. Insert the tubing 1/2 inch deep into the quick connect fitting. Then insert a locking clip to lock the tubing in place. Measure and cut the tube. Installation: Drinking faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill a hole 7/16 inch to 1.5 inch in diameter. Step 1. Clean and dry the sink hole area. Step 2. Insert the front plate, then the rubber washer into the faucet base. Step 3. Insert the drinking faucet into the sink hole. Step 4. From under the sink, insert the rubber washer followed by the wing nut into the faucet stem. Tighten the wing nut to secure the faucet. Step 5. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Insert the tubing into the bottom end of the coupling 1/2 inch deep. Insert locking clips to lock the coupling and tubing in place. Then measure and cut the tube. System installation. Step 1. Unscrew stage 1, 2, and 3 filter housings. Take out and unwrap all filters. Step 2. Insert the filters back into their housings and make sure the housing O-ring is seated correctly to prevent leaks. Step 3. Twist the housings counterclockwise onto the housing caps. Use the housing wrench. Tighten the housing with another 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn. Do not over-tighten, as this can cause leaks and will make future filter replacement difficult. Step 4. Install the elbow fitting to the system water inlet port. Install the other elbow fitting to the system water outlet port. Do not over-tighten those fittings. Step 5. Insert the tubing from the feed water adapter 1/2 inch deep into the system inlet fitting. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 6. Insert the tubing from the faucet 1/2 inch deep into the system outlet fitting. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 7. Turn on the feed water valve, turn on the cold water supply valve, and ensure there is no leak from the connectors. Step 8. Turn on the drinking faucet. Let the water drain to flush filters for 15 minutes or until the water runs clear. Shut off the drinking faucet when finished. Congratulations! Your iSpring water filtration system installation is now complete. You can now enjoy clean and refreshing water from home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.